Hi, I'm Gino. I'm a digital solutions engineer for ClickBond, and we brought 2 displays of technology this year to Farnborough. So take a look at our first scenario here. We have a Rotax engine, and through the use of mixed reality, we can actually see the operation of the engine itself, fluid flow, and additionally there's a maintenance training scenario within mixed reality, so you get an in-depth look at the engine. All right, so our second scenario over here shows a slice of fuselage, and through the use of mixed reality and the HoloLens 2, it brings the entire panel to life. So on the left side, you can see some of our product already installed, and it gives more information through mixed reality. Second side is empty, but it comes to life with the use of the headset, so you know exactly where to place this part. At ClickBond, we know the future of assembly and maintenance is going to be immersive and connected. So come visit us and see how we can help you change your whole approach.